Welcome to another video of Zack's pronunciation. This name of the member of Stray Kids is pronounced Hyunjin, 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 Hyunjin. Hyunjin is a South Korean rapper, singer, and dancer. He is a member of the K-pop group Stray Kids. Hyunjin. Hyunjin. He is known for his powerful and expressive dancing, his charismatic stage presence, his rap performances, and growing songwriting contributions. His visual appeal and influence in fashion. Hyunjin. Hyunjin. Hyunjin has become well known in the fashion world and has worked with luxury brands. He has attended major fashion events in Europe and is often praised for his style. Hyunjin. Hyunjin. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.